Collaboration is a surefire way to expand the reach of your content. And that's what we talk about today in the How to Become a YouTuber series. Here we go! Hello and welcome back to another video. I'm Alan Spicer, and if you're looking to start a YouTube channel, grow your YouTube channel, or push your brand out there into the second largest search engine on the internet, you should click subscribe. Start creating. YouTube is a large social media platform with communities inbuilt to every channel. You subscribe to me, for me, my content, my cheeky face, and maybe my man nipples. And in return, everybody else subscribes to every other channel for their own reasons. They like the entertainment, they like the game, they like the personality, or they like the drama. Every YouTube channel has a community built into it. And the best way to expand your community is by tapping into somebody else's and hopefully marrying them together via a collaboration. But there's a few things that you need to consider when pulling together a collaboration. But before we do this, I would like to thank my friends at TubeBuddy for sponsoring this video. TubeBuddy is a browser-based plugin that will help you optimize your titles, your descriptions, and your tags and rank better on search. There is a link into the description down below. Use the code ALANSBuddy should you wish to use any paid upgrades for a 20% discount. 1. Find the right creator. I have a very good niche where I have the advantage that I can pull people over from other niches to tell my viewers how they can grow their booktube channel, or how they can grow a business, or how they can grow a gaming channel, because my channel is about YouTube and its platform. But if you're a makeup guru and you're inviting, I don't know, a scary hoax person or a gaming psychopath to your channel for a collaboration, maybe that's not the right mix, because the gaming scary people might have a completely different demographic to your 15-year-old girls that like to do early basic makeup tutorials. If you can find the right match and the right kind of situation that you can collaborate with someone, then that's the best way for you to go. So in my case, I'd love to communicate with other YouTube educators or other small YouTubers looking to grow their channel. And I would suggest you try to collaborate around about the same kind of subscriber level that you are. Why? Because then you both feel that you're getting an equal proportion out of it, or if you're in the same niche, then you understand that the audiences will mesh better. Say for example, you're a teenage boy that does makeup tutorials and you're a teenage girl that does makeup tutorials. You're very likely to have very similar viewers. Why not collaborate together? At the end of the day, all you want to do is put your face in front of their viewers in some way so they get used to your face and maybe get curious enough to subscribe. 2. Shoutouts is the first level of YouTube collaboration. It is simple as me saying, I really like Desiree Martinez. Go and check out her social media YouTube tricks and tips channel. There's a link up here, and in return, she'll do the same to me. A shout out can be at the start or at the end of a video, and just generally it's go and check out this person that I find interesting. But it's me pushing you somewhere and then pushing them back. A simple shout out. 3. Small clips, video swap. This is where I record a little clip, say for example, like I did on Desiree Martinez's channel, where she introduces me to talk about YouTube certified experts. There's a video up here. And in return, in the long run, maybe she comes to my channel to be an insert in one of my videos. That's a video swap clip. So I send over clips and she sends them back and we knit them in. Nick Nimmin and Brian G. Johnson does that very, very well. They pop in and out of each other's videos to intensify or agree and cement an idea together. 4. Channel swap. Now, I did a channel video swap collaboration with Sarah Sunbeams recently, where I went over to her channel, which is a booktube channel, and I talked about my guilty pleasure, which is audiobooks, and how it shouldn't be a guilty pleasure. And she came over to here to teach you how to become a booktuber and how she grew her channel to over nearly 15,000 subscribers. See, that's a video swap collaboration where my face gets in front of her viewers. They get curious because I'm talking about a topic that's normally on her channel, but it's not Sarah. And she comes to my channel where, once again, she keeps to the theme of my channel, but with her face, and teaches stuff to you, and maybe you were curious enough to go and check her out. This is a good way to break outside your bubble and make people curious about you, your content, and maybe build up some form of synergy between the two communities. And 5, possibly the one that everybody immediately thinks of, a Meetup collaboration. That's where you and somebody else is stood in the same video talking about whatever, a tag video, that kind of thing. Maybe you'll make 2 videos, 1 video goes on their channel, 1 video goes on your channel, or you split the video, or whatever. A meetup collaboration is possibly the most powerful because you actually get to physically meet the person, and then maybe that builds up a bond. Have a look at Amazing Phil and Dan Is Not On Fire. Those seem to gel over that whole thing, and now they're a double act. But don't worry, if you can't do a meetup, for example, Sarah Sunbeams and Desiree Martinez, Sarah Sunbeam's in Canada and Desiree Martinez is in Las Vegas. So there was no physical way that we can meet. There's nothing wrong with the video swap. At the end of the day, a collaboration is better than no collaboration at all, and collaborations will help grow your YouTube channel. And if you need more tips on growing your YouTube channel, why not scroll back and have a look at the last video within the Become a YouTuber series, which is up here, on how to promote your channel. But that is how you collaborate on YouTube and the different types of collaboration. For more YouTube tricks and tips and tips on how to become a YouTuber, why not check out the playlist here, hit subscribe, hit that notification icon so you're alerted next time I go live. Go out there, start creating.